If you want to look up information about past inventory transactions, the History screen is available to list and inquire about them. To access the History Inquiry screen, either click the History button on the toolbar, or from the Inquiries menu, select Transaction History. This screen has a grid which will list all the transactions selected by the criteria at the top. You can choose any or all of the 5 different transaction types that inventory maintains, and physical inventory changes are stored as adjustments. Also, there are up to 3 other fields that you can choose for the purpose of transaction selection or sorting in the grid. When you click the Load button, transactions that meet the criteria will be listed and sorted in the grid. Depending on how large your history is, results may take a little time to complete. As with most grids in Adagio, you may use the column editor to customize what information is displayed on the screen. Double-click on the grid title to open this function. To locate and choose the fields to display as columns. Anything that is stored in the data file is available to select, including the item description, customer or vendor name, original document numbers from order entry or purchase orders, ledger accounting, and more. This is helpful not only to quickly see the most important information on screen, but also to find what gets exported when you use the Excel Direct button to create a spreadsheet with the grid contents, if analyzing data in Excel is desired. You are able to investigate further about a particular transaction by drilling down on the row, either by double-clicking or by using the View button. An Inquiry Detail screen will appear with more information that one could put on the grid, with general transaction header information at the top, specific item detail information in the middle, and optional fields at the bottom if used. The information that displays is tailored to the transaction type being viewed, where a receipt could show original purchase order information and cost accounting if it was created by Adagio purchase orders, and viewing a shipment created by order entry would show the order number, sale price, and related accounting, and so on for other transaction types. And if you're using Adagio Doc Store, you can view PDFs that were attached to transactions created by inventory or other applications that write to history with the Glasses button, or modify or add new attachments from the Paperclip button. If you only need to locate historical information about a particular item, there is an alternate place to use this process, within the Item Inquiry with Sales and Costs screen. When you view an item, a Transaction History tab is available to perform the same inquiry, except that there is no item numbered field available for selection and sorting, and results are limited to just the viewed item. Find out required item transaction information from the History Inquiry screen and drill down. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.